This video is going to show you how to add a mirror modifier once you have your center line of your mesh straightened. So if your screen looks like this and you don't see the properties panel on the right, you can, keeping your mouse over this 3D viewport, just hit Control up arrow, and that will unmaximize the 3D viewport and show the other panels. So here I have two modifiers on my mesh. I'm actually going to delete those so I can show you how to add them. So you want to be in the wrench menu here, and so just select the wrench and then hit add modifier, and we're looking for mirror. So if you click on mirror, then it'll add the mirror modifier. So I'm in wireframe mode. It's a little easier to see the mirroring when you're not in wireframe. And you can see there's a problem. It's not mirroring it on the right axis. So we need to unselect the x-axis and select the y-axis. And now things are looking good. So there's just some fine-tuning that has to be done. If I go out of edit mode and zoom in closely, let's see if we can see. Actually, this one's looking pretty good. There's a little bit of a problem there in the nose. So you want to look along your mesh, and sometimes you'll see something that looks like this.